I believe I have to just basically do a tune-up on a 2006 Ford Explorer. It sounds like my cylinders are misfiring, and I had some problems with two other
what year
cylinders.
is it? 2006. 4.6 multi-port.
I'm sorry?
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Yes. Well, it's a V8 4.6, yeah.
Right, yeah. All right, labor time on that calls for 3.3 hours. That's replacing the plugs, cap, any wires, whatever you have as far as consistency of changing, cleaning the battery terminals, doing, basically what you do is just go through and double check everything while you're in there. Suggest you got 2-cylinder misfires, you said?
I think I just need them all replaced, to be honest with you. I had two.
If you want to go by and pick them up, like I said, we'll run them all, put them all in, and be done with it, and just call it a day. That would make things probably a lot simpler. Instead of chasing and diagnosing and trying to figure out which two are bad. I mean, you can usually plug the computer up on it. It'll tell you what cylinders are misfiring to where you can only have to replace the ones that are there. But if you're thinking it's about time to go ahead and get them all anyway, you're probably not wrong. Usually what happens is people
CarHelpout.com.
Exactly
it's the convenience.
What they want to fix. We'll come out, we'll put new plugs in it for a couple $100, and we'll replace two coils that are misfiring and bad. And then 2 weeks later, they'll call me, hey, man, I got a misfire again. And then there'll be another two coils going out, and then I got to charge them labor to come back out again. You know what I mean? So, I mean, it would save you more money.
Here's the deal. Like, I would say about 8 or 9 months ago, I had cylinder 3 and 4 misfiring, and I replaced them myself. So obviously I still have 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and 8 that still need to replace. Do you recommend I just go ahead and replace the ones that I replaced 8 months ago?
I really would. I'd just put them all in once and be done with it, because you usually get a warranty when you buy it. If I'm not mistaken, you should have if you bought them 8 months ago, I think they carry a year warranty on them. You should be able to flip them out and take the two that you had replaced and get your money back on those too. So.
CarHelpout.com.
Okay.
It's the
I would
convenience.
definitely investigate into it.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll probably order some stuff, at least the ignition coils online, because they're about $45 a piece at other locations.
Right.
So I might order those online, get those in, and then go pick up some spark plugs, and then give you guys a call to come out. How far in advance? How far in advance do I need to give you, or do you guys come out?
Usually.
Say that again.
Usually the same day.
All right, perfect.
Usually if you call me in the morning, I'll have somebody out there by that morning or early afternoon.
Remember, if you don't feel like doing it yourself, you can always call a mobile mechanic specialist that will come to any location convenient for you. We can help you get back on the road again by putting their knowledge and years of experience to work for you. CarHelpout.com/location for a local mobile mechanic car repair service near you. And we do pre-purchase inspections on used car buying at any location. CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.